Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a date picker in the Google form. So if you want to create a question in Google Forms, which contain a date picker, so what you need to do is just type in the question first. For example, date of birth. Okay, and after that change the type of question in here. So the current question is multiple choice. Click on this box and scroll down and select a date like this, so that when the respondent answer the question, let's try to open the form. The date picker will be shown on the answer, okay, like this. So the respondent just click on this to show the date picker and select the date. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.